Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this flow series, today we are going to learn about how we can use send toast message action in Salesforce flows. So the toast message is a small notification that appears on the screen inform users the result of an action. For example, when we create any record, at that time we see the notification record is created. So that is nothing but toast message in Salesforce. Earlier, to display the toast message, we was using the Lightning Web component, Aura components or third-party solutions. So now the good news is that Salesforce has introduced the show toast message action for flows, which allows admins to display toast notification directly from Flow Builder without creating any Lightning Web component. So here for the send toast message action, everything I'm going to explain step by step. For that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Now, without any delay, let's get started. So here I'm navigating to the Salesforce org. After that, in the quick find, search for the flows and the show toast message action is only available for the screen flows. For that, here I am going to create new flow, which type will be the screen flow. So here we have the screen automations, click on this and then screen flow. So the scenario is whenever I will create the account record using the screen flow, at that time I want to show the notification that record has been created successfully. So for that, first we need to create the account record. For that, here I am adding the screen element and here we need to add the fields. So here I am adding text, which will be the account name. After that, here I am adding phone. Next, I will add the pick list field. And this pick list field get the value from the account object. For that, here I am adding the rating. API name will be same. After that, as you scroll down, here you can see here we have the component type which is pick list and here we have the choice. As you click on this choice, here we need to click on this new choice resource. Then resource type will be pick list choice set. API name, here I am adding ratings. Description you can provide as per a requirement. Then object will be account. Data type will be pick list and field which is rating because we want the rating field's value. And then click on done. So now we have the rating field, phone field, and after that here I am changing the label of the text which is count name. The API name will be automatically populate and using these fields we can create the account record. So let's give the screen label account records. API name will be automatically populate and then click on done. So here we have one invalid component. Let's select this. Here we have to provide the name. Here I am providing again phone and then click on done. So now here we have the screen where we can provide the values to create the account record. But to create the actual account record, we need to add another component which is create records. So here we need to provide label create count records. API name will be populated automatically. How to set record fields value? So here I am selecting manually. Object again count. In the fields account name. After that we have added phone. And then we also have added rating. So now for the account name, from where we are taking the value, we are taking from the screen, account records and then account name. For the phone, again from the account records, which is the screen and then phone. And after that, here we need to add the value. And then for the account rating, again screen and then rating. So this way we can create the records using the screen component. Now let's close this, and now we will use the show toast message notification. For that, again we need to click on this add element, and here we need to search show toast message. As you click on this, the action element will open, and here we need to provide the label like display message. API name will be automatically populate. After that, as you scroll down, here you can see here we have toast message style, which is information, and dismissal method manual. So here for the toast message style, we can add success, information, warning, and then error. So here if you use the success, then it displays a green success message where the record has been created successfully. After that we have the information, it will display the blue informational message. After that we have the warning, which displays yellow warning message. If you have created duplicate contacts, then the warning message will appear with the yellow warning message. After that we have the error, which displays red error message. Since we are creating the account record, for that we need to display the success message. So here I am selecting success, and after that in the dismissal method, here we have two options, automatic and then manual. That means whenever any toast message appear, if you want to dismiss by clicking on that message, then you can select manually, and if you want it should dismiss automatically, then you can select this automatic. So here I am selecting this automatic. After that, here we have the toast message title. So here I am creating account creation. So here this will display on the success message. After that, here we have the toast message body. So here I am adding account record has been created successfully. And now let's close this. So this way we can add the show toast message action in the Salesforce flow. Now let's save this flow. Here I'm giving the label show toast message flow. Click on save. And now we need to activate this flow. For that, click on activate. After activating the flow, we need to add this flow to the account record page. So here I am searching for accounts object. So now let's open any account record. After that, click on this setup, edit page. So before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers. As you visit our SalesforceFAQs.com website, here you can see, here we have complete guide to start the Salesforce and the Agent Force. As you visit to here, you can start here to learn Salesforce right away. And for you, here we have customized everything, your learning paths. So here we have the Salesforce admin and consultant. After that, the Salesforce basics. Then everything you will be find as per your requirement. Here also we used to post articles on the Salesforce function formulas, Apex and the triggers, Lightning Web Components, Omni channels, data loader tutorials, reports and dashboards, Tableau tutorials. Also we have the flows, Agent Force, and then we also have the trainings where you will get Salesforce admin training course, Salesforce developer training course, Agent Force training course, and with that you will also have all training courses where you will get admin, developer, and the Agent Force training course in discounted price. With that, we have Agent Force live training, and we are going to conduct a live webinar on the Agent Force, which we are going to conduct at July. Build your Agent Force AI agent in Salesforce, where I will show you the demo. Using that, you can build your first Agent Force service agent, assign them topic, instructions, and then actions. And regarding this, if you have any query, you can book a free call where I will be consult you regarding your queries. Now let's coming back to our topic. In the components, search for the flows. Here we have the standard action, which is flow. Drag this and drop where you want to add. So here let me first remove the before one. And now let me add the another flow. So here we have added the flow component, and now here we need to select the flow name that we have created. So we created show toast message flow, and then click on the save. After that, click on activation. Okay, so this page is already org default. Click on close and let me go back. Now here you can see the fields that we have added in the screen component: account name, phone, and then rating. So here I am adding the account name, testing show post message count. After that, the phone, here I am adding, then the rating hot. And now as I click on this next button, here you can see account creation and account record has been created successfully. So this account creation is nothing but here we have added the toast message style, which is account creation, and after that we seen the toast message body, which is account record has been successfully created. So in this way we can use show toast message action directly into the Salesforce flow. I hope whatever I have explained, you understood that. If you also want to create your own Agentforce agent, then do register for the webinar that we are going to conduct 8th of July. It's totally free. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.